Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for UPSC and IAS preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of Indian art and culture which is integral to understanding the cultural fabric of India, Indian festivals. India, a country of vast cultural diversity, is home to an array of festivals celebrated across the length and breadth of the nation. These festivals not only reflect the country's rich cultural heritage but also shape the social and political landscape. Understanding the significance of festivals in India is crucial for any civil servant, especially for those aspiring to take the UPSC or IAS exams, as these celebrations are closely intertwined with national unity, regional identities, and socio-political dynamics. Festivals in India are celebrated with fervor, joy, and devotion, transcending regional, religious, and linguistic differences. They are rooted in various religious traditions, mythologies, and seasonal cycles. The primary festivals in India can be classified into Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddhist, and other religious categories, each with its own set of rituals, significance, and cultural expressions. To begin, let's talk about some of the major Hindu festivals. Hinduism, being the predominant religion in India, has a vast calendar of festivals that vary across regions, but certain festivals are celebrated nationwide. Among the most significant is Diwali, the festival of lights, which marks the victory of light over darkness, good over evil. It celebrates the return of Lord Rama to his kingdom after a 14-year exile, symbolizing the triumph of righteousness. The celebration involves lighting oil lamps, bursting firecrackers, and exchanging sweets, and it holds immense cultural importance as it brings families together and promotes social harmony. Another major Hindu festival is Holi, the festival of colors. Holi is celebrated to mark the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil, with the burning of the demoness Holika symbolizing the destruction of evil forces. Holi is known for its exuberant celebrations, where people throw colored powders at each other, dance to traditional music, and indulge in festive foods. This festival is unique in its spirit of unity, where people from all walks of life come together to celebrate without any social barriers. Moving on, we have Navratri, a festival dedicated to the worship of the Hindu goddess Durga. It is celebrated for 9 nights, culminating in the grand festival of Dussehra, which marks the victory of Lord Rama over the demon king Ravana. Navratri involves fasting, dance, garba and dandiya, and prayers, and it is a time of great devotion and spiritual reflection. Dussehra, on the other hand, is known for large public processions and the burning of effigies of Ravana, symbolizing the destruction of evil forces. Apart from these, there are several regional festivals like Onam in Kerala, Makar Sankranti in the north and west, and Karwa Chauth in northern India. Each of these festivals has its own unique customs, rituals, and significance, reflecting the diverse cultural practices of the different states and regions. Now, let's turn to the festivals celebrated by other religious communities in India. Eid ul-Fitr, celebrated by Muslims, marks the end of the holy month of Ramadan, a period of fasting, prayer, and reflection. Eid is a festival of joy and thanksgiving, where Muslims gather for special prayers, give zakat, charity, and share meals with family and friends. The festival is marked by wearing new clothes, visiting relatives, and distributing sweets. It plays an important role in strengthening community bonds and promoting social harmony. Ramzan, another important Muslim festival, is the month of fasting observed by Muslims, and it culminates in Eid. The spirit of fasting during Ramadan is not just about abstaining from food but also about self-discipline, charity, and spirituality. This festival teaches empathy and compassion, encouraging people to think of those who are less fortunate. For Christians in India, Christmas is the most significant festival. Celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ, Christmas is marked by church services, feasts, and the exchange of gifts. It is a time of family gatherings, prayers, and social work, with people often visiting orphanages and hospitals to spread joy. Christmas emphasizes themes of love, charity, and goodwill, which are central to Christian values. For Sikhs, Gurpurab is a major religious festival celebrating the birth anniversaries of the 10 Sikh Gurus. The most widely celebrated Gurpurab is the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, Sikhs gather in gurudwaras for prayers, processions, and langar, community meals. The celebration emphasizes equality, humility, and service to humanity, which are key principles in Sikhism. In the Buddhist tradition, Buddha Purnima is celebrated to honor the birth, enlightenment, and death of Lord Buddha. Buddhists observe this day with prayers, meditation, and reflection on the teachings of the Buddha, particularly focusing on peace, compassion, and non-violence. Buddha Purnima is observed not only in India but also in many countries where Buddhism is practiced, symbolizing the universal relevance of Buddha's teachings. However, with the rise of globalization, there have been changes in how festivals are celebrated. While traditional customs continue to be followed, modern-day celebrations often include commercial elements. For example, Diwali and Christmas are not just religious occasions but also times for shopping, gifting, and massive consumerism. Similarly, festivals like Holi and Ganesh Chaturthi have become events that attract large numbers of tourists and have also been commercialized. As UPSC and IAS aspirants, understanding the socio-cultural role of festivals is vital. Festivals are a reflection of India's socio-political and cultural dynamics. They are not just times of celebration but also opportunities to study the country's social fabric, regional diversity, and even the politics of religion and identity. In conclusion, Indian festivals are a mirror to the country's soul. They reflect the values, beliefs, and traditions of the people. From religious festivals to national holidays, each celebration is a testament to India's rich history and vibrant culture. As future civil servants, it is important to appreciate the significance of these festivals, not just as cultural events, but as factors that influence the social, economic, and political spheres of the country. Thank you for watching this video on AskPrep. We hope this exploration of Indian festivals helps you in your UPSC journey. Stay tuned for more insightful content that will assist you in your preparation. This is AskPrep, Ask Us Anything.